It's been almost 2 years since December 2022, since the first tranche of the 125 million peso confidential funds for the OVP were first released. No? So 2 taon na mula nung nirelease yung pondo. Mahigit 1 taon na mula nang ito ay natuklasan ng mga makabayan representatives. We have 75 impeachment complainants. We only cite 1 ground, betrayal of public trust. And we have 3 issues related to the betrayal of public trust. So our lawyer, Attorney Nery Colmenares, will go through yung 3 issues related sa betrayal of public trust.
Maraming salamat, Nato. Betrayal of public trust, 1 ground. Mas madaling ma-digest yung mga ebidensya, mas mabilis siyang matalakay, at kung umabot sa Senado, mas mabilis din madidesisyonan ng mga senador. 3 acts lang constitutes betrayal of public trust. The first is Respondent Duterte betrayed public trust by her gross abuse of discretionary powers over 612 million in confidential funds from December 2022 until the 3rd quarter of 2023. Yung pangalawang act constituting betrayal of public trust is Respondent Duterte betrayed public trust by her gross disregard of transparency and accountability, making a mockery of the audit process by 1. Ordering subordinates to prepare implausible accomplishment reports supported by fabricated liquidation reports and falsified documents. And 2, to submit the same to the Commission on Audit to support the questionable use of confidential funds that is not in accordance with laws and regulation, causing great injury to the government and the taxpayers. Number 3, pangatlong act constituting betrayal of public trust, Respondent Duterte betrayed public trust by her dereliction of official duty with her willful refusal to recognize congressional oversight during budget deliberations and its authority to conduct inquiries in aid of legislation. So yung 3 acts lang yon, ang tingin namin at least nakafocus sa isang issue, confidential funds, at isang ground, betrayal